to the meme asylum, where market trauma is treated through chaos. Here, the broken are reborn as creators. We don't run from volatility, we inject it. Every burn fuels recovery. Every cycle rewrites the rules. Reverse burns, ECT surges, controlled madness in motion. This is where meme coins are created, revived and unleashed. An asylum for the bold, a sanctuary for the insane. The ECT presale opens today.
All right, we got BuyDiff with KFIS. We got something amazing. You can supercharge your deposits right here. And this is an exclusive welcome deal, so if you jump on this exchange, if you like what you see in the video, then you're good to go. But there's a limited period, the 5th till the 19th, so you better act quickly. Now, what can you do? If you're a trader, you're getting your trading on, you got your monitor set up, I know you're a beast, you can get a bonus for just depositing. You're going to deposit anyway to trade, so you might as well rock it. You can start with $100 and get a 50 bonus, or go all the way up to 1,000 for 200. And if you're a whole trader, don't worry. If you're the whale, if you're the big guy, I love the whale traders. We like whales too. And whales 5,000, 10,000, or 20,000. You can see these bonuses for all the whales out there, the big crypto whales rocking those big wallets. So that is it. Let's get into what this is. All right. Is spending with crypto something you're wondering about? And you probably have said, hey, I'm at the grocery store. I love crypto, but I'm not going to adopt it. I like fiat because that's how I buy my lettuce, or how I buy my steak, or maybe you don't get either. It's all good. But if you are looking for an awesome card, you might want to check out BuyDiff right here. And not only that, this is an amazing exchange as well. We're going to go over the card, we're going to go over awesome news, and we're going to go over what this is all about. Plus, who doesn't want a cool Doge with a blue hat right there? He looks like he is ready to take your order, even though somebody else will be, and you'll be using that for that. So, before we jump into it, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. Okay, so what if you could make it super simple? Simplify your spending with crypto. Not making it complicated, not making it hard. Right here, this is my man rocking the Visa, and it supports all of your favorite processors. So Google Pay, that's a big one for me. PayPal, all that. So if you're wondering, I can use it for merchant payment, but you know, I'm online, I'm chronically online all day. That's fine. You can use it for all that. It supports multiple currency payments. So what do we have? High spending limits. It's flexible, and you get flexible spending with withdrawals. You have low Forex fees, secure payments, and there's even cooler stuff. But how do you do it? How do you use it? So you have this right here on your phone, and you make sure that there's enough USD on your card, just like you would anything else. Use it online and in-store. You complete the transaction, and you receive records instantly after payment. It's absolutely amazing. So give it to the barista, give it for the next payment. You can check it all out here, and you can apply. Now, to do it, you will have to do a KYC, so do know that. You'll have to complete verification. You do have to be in a specific country. It's not something you can say, oh, I'm going to VPN this. Can't do that, bro. But you do have to complete a KYC identity verification, be from an eligible country. Now, what are the fees involved? The issuance fee, nothing. Monthly fee, $1 So that's absolutely nothing. Most cards hit you way harder than that. Crypto conversion is only 1% to top off. There's no Forex fee, which is absolutely amazing. And you can see how to top it off. Assets from the spot to the card, and how to adjust it. Contact them online. Check out the spending and withdrawal limits. And that's really it. It lets you easily access your crypto anywhere, anytime, any place. And you just click apply now. You'll be happy like all those people in the picture. Although I think that's AI generated. So first, what you'll want to do is log in with email and password, or you can log in with your Google, Apple, or Telegram. So here we can see the exchange, BuyDiff right here. You can refer your friends, you can check out airdrops, and you'll see your icons right here. The rewards, not only is it been around for quite a while, 5 years, so it hasn't just popped up, it gives you tutorials on exactly what to do, trusted by CG, Divly, FIO right here. And you can go ahead and check it out. You can see I'm a little Doge too. Not only that, you can invite all your friends. So you start using the card, they're like, dude, that's awesome. You can invite them friends, and assist to earn 20 USDT. How you do it? You just go ahead and sign up like I did, and you're good to go. Plus, I think this is really cool because you have the information right here. You can also do everything you would on a normal exchange: buy, markets, trade, and all the futures, all the fun stuff right here at your fingertips. Who doesn't want that? And the invitation program makes it even better with the card coming up. And for all the amazing news and everything else popping up, you can see what's going on here. So you get a welcome reward as well, in addition to the card. All you got to do, knock out these tasks. So, ladies and gentlemen, can you do these tasks? And they're pretty nice. You can see right here the things you do. And if you do that, you get the rewards. You can see there's over 1 million participants. That is it in a nutshell. Check out the card. Check out the awesome things going on in this exchange. And if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do, guys. Smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Catch you in the next one.